So first of all, Intellian, we are a manufacturer. We manufacture products that connect and inspire, mobility products. Our biggest growth is in the maritime VSAT terminals, predominantly in the commercial shipping market. Over the last 12 to 18 months, we've seen significant growth because of our philosophy to enable the market. We have been privileged to allow a more efficient, speedy delivery of a more compact, easier terminal to the market. So because the terminals are smaller and more compact, easier to use, last longer, the general uptake in the commercial shipping market has been phenomenal. We've seen tremendous growth, average about 35% year on year, and we're currently in our best year ever. So we're very proud to be where we are. Historically, VSAT technology, always-on technology, was driven by aspects like crew welfare, broadband use. However, because the ship owners and the end users have realized that a connected ship is not only a more efficient machine, it's also a safer machine. So the use of big data, being able to extract all of the sensor information, all of the fuel economy, all of the safety status on board, has allowed the owners shoreside, who have a lot more computing power, who have bigger teams, to actually make better evaluation of efficiency. As an example, they now replot a course, so the shipboard team would plot a course from A to B, but the use of a connected vessel back to the headquarters allows that course to be plotted more efficiently. So the vessel arrives on time, lower fuel consumption, the cargo is monitored more accurately, so there's huge reasons why a connected vessel is becoming safer and more efficient. So I think the term big data is a reality, and I would imagine that you would see more and more ship owners adopting always-on connectivity and the applications that surround it to be more efficient, to do trading better. So I think, yeah, it's a very interesting time. I think there is some late adopters. The European owner has realized that adopting VSAT technology, always online connectivity, is the right solution. Of course, the energy market, who uses connectivity for high throughput solutions, adopted it many years ago. But equally, there is still a level of conservatism in the market. I believe that fleet broadband is still very dominant in the Greek market, as an example. But driven by Inmarsat, Fleet Express, similar solutions, which are now simpler, easier to install, faster. I think that, for example, the Greek ship owners are now realizing that actually it's time to move on to the new technology. Fleet broadband will still have a place, but yeah, I think there's still some challenges, but generally the market, the pace of the installations is increasing, and I expect to see about 40 to 45,000 new terminals online in the next 4 years. We hear the buzzword Internet of Things everywhere. We now call it the Internet of Everything. I think that is more prominent on a land-based solution. You know, my fridge is connected these days. Everything I use is connected. So I think it's not as dominant yet in the maritime environment. I think it's more machine to machine that is the benefit for online connectivity. So engine management, control, lighting, safety, CCTV cameras. So it's a portion of the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is everything connected. And so, your home, my home, my lighting, I can control my lighting from here, I can control my heating from here, my fridge will order the milk, etc. You don't quite get that on board the maritime environment yet. However, machine to machine, which is the maritime kind of flavor of Internet of Things, is becoming more and more of a necessity. So I think it plays its part, but I don't think that the maritime world is connected like the Internet of Things. It's not part of the Internet of Things as general at the moment. I would say that Intellian is making life simpler and enabling our customers to do better business and not to worry about is it complex and expensive and a headache when installing a VSAT terminal. Always on connectivity has been around since 1972. The difference is that Intellian is making it simpler, more reliable. So I think that we have many new things to do. We are very, very inspired by what we can do in the next 5 years. But the core objective is to make the end user's experience better. Hence one of our taglines, which is connect and inspire. So we want to inspire and see more people have a better quality of life at sea, in terms of safety, in terms of connectivity, staying in touch with their families. So yeah, we're very, very motivated. So my message would be we are partners, and we are very, very keen to be part of the ecosystem. And we will do our best to make life as simple as possible. So this is our second year exhibiting here. I've been here several years prior to that. The Greek shipping market is extremely interwoven with the global shipping market. It's a huge fleet. It's a global market. There's Greek shipping fleets, owners, installers, in every part of the world. I think the Greek shipping market is a very, very important voice to listen to. It's very well educated. It's very experienced. So for us, we want to listen to the Greek ship owners. We want to evaluate and understand what they really want from their terminals in terms of power and size and simplicity. We also see there's a big opportunity. The Greek shipping market is large, of course, and there is a very, very high percentage of vessels who are not equipped with the VSAT technology right now that would potentially migrate from different solutions. So I think it's very, very critical to be here to show the Greek shipping market that we are very humbled by what's going on in Greece, to listen and to learn and hopefully react in the right way.